Welcome back to Pratik Academy. In previous video, we have solved some numericals from practice set 2.2 which are based on factorization method. Okay. In this video, we will solve some another examples. Okay. Let's start with problem number 8 first. So this is 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so first find out what is ABC. A is 3, B is minus 2 root 6, C is 2. What is next step? Take product A and C. This is here minus 2 root, product is here 3 into 2, that is 6. Now this product is positive. So what are the factors? Let's check first. 1 into 6, 6 into 1, or 3 into 2. Okay, now as product is positive, we require factors such that their sum is numerically equals to B. So what is B? 2 root 6. So 1 plus 6, 7, 6 plus 1, 7, 3 plus 2, 5. So no any pair is matching with 2 root 6 because every time there is only integer part. This root part is not coming here. So in this problem, remember, we require one factor as root 6. Okay, so I am purposefully taking root 6 as one factor. If root 6 is one factor, second factor will also root 6, because product of root 6 into root 6 is equal to root 6 bracket square, and this will ultimately becomes 6. Okay, so let's check here. Sum of root 6 plus root 6 is 2 root 6. That is, our required pair is root 6 and root 6. Then how to decide sign? As product is positive, sign of B is given to both factors. That means two factors are root 6 and minus root 6 and minus root 6. Okay, then replace term B by these two factors. Then our equation changes to 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now there is one important step. If you look at in this equation, initially there is no any similarity or common term between 3 root 6 and 2. Then I will arrange 3 such that I can write 3 as product of root 3 into root 3, because root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now for root 6 I can write root 3 into root 2 into x. 3 into 2, 6, root 6, minus, for this again I will write root 3 into root 2 x, plus for 2 I can write root 2 into root 2 is equal to 0. Root 2 into root 2, 2. Okay, now let's check these two terms, or take these two terms and then last two terms. Now in these two terms, what is common? Root 3, root 3. Then x square and x is here, so I will take x common. So what is remaining? 1 root 3 is taken common, remaining is root 3. Here x, here root 3 is taken common, so remaining is root 2. Here minus sign, again here root 3, here root 2, here root 2, so I will take root 2 common, remaining is root 3x, as here minus sign, plus sign becomes minus under root 2. Okay, now these two brackets are same, therefore taking common, root 3x minus root 2. Here this bracket taken common, so remaining is root 3x, here minus root 2 becomes 0. So either this bracket root 3x minus root 2 is 0, or root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. That means root 3x is equal to root 2, x is equal to under root 2 upon 3, or here root 3x is equal to root 2, therefore x is equal to under root 2 upon 3. So this is solution of quadratic equation. This is star mark problem in our textbook, so it is very important. Okay, now let's take another type of example. So I will take problem number 11. Okay, problem number 11. So what is the problem? 7m square is equal to 21m. So arrange this equation in standard format. So 7m square minus 20m plus 0 is equal to 0. ax square bx plus c. So in this equation we found that there is no any c term because c is 0. Then how to solve, or how to take product? So when c is 0, we cannot take product a into c. Okay, therefore these steps are not applicable. So problem is very simple here. Simply write 20m is equal to 0. Here m is common, and also here there is 7, here 21. We can write 7m common, so remaining is m here, and here 7 3s are 21, so 3 is remaining. So simply 7m is 0, or m minus 3 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 0 upon 7, that is 0, or m is equal to 3. So these are very simple problems. What is the specialty of this problem? In this problem there is no any c term, or c term is 0. Then we don't require to take product a into c. Simply take common m, and if coefficients are multipliers of each other, then take common. Here 7 and 21, we can take 3 as a 7 as a common, then 7m minus 3, and equate both to 0. Okay, these are the very simple one. Then here we have just seen there is no any C term. Then what will happen when there is no any B term? Let's check with one problem. I will take problem number 10. So 25m square is given as 9. Okay, so it becomes 25m square minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now if we want to write this in standard format, then it will be 25m square minus 0m minus 9 is equal to 0. So in this case there is no any b term absent here. Here C term absent. So B term is absent, and then if we take product of A and C, then there is no any term to compare this product. Okay, so again we don't want to go with these steps. Then how to factorize? So write down once again as it is, 25m square is equal to 9. So to factorize this quadratic equation, we have to use formula a square minus b square. What is the formula? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, we have to use this formula. Okay, when to use? When b term is absent in quadratic equation. We cannot find roots by using this method. Then we have to use this formula, expansion formula for a square minus b square. So we require 25m square. So 25 is square of 5, then m bracket square, and 9 is square of 3. Okay, so here this 5m is our a, this 3 is b. So by using this formula we can write a plus b, 5m plus 3 in second bracket, 5m minus b is equal to 0. That is 5m plus 3 is equal to 0, or 5m minus b is equal to 0. That means m is equal to minus 3 upon 5, or here it is 3. Here minus 3 becomes plus 3 divided by 5. So value of m is minus 3 upon 5 or 3 upon 5. So this is about some sample numericals from practice set 2.2. If you have any doubt in these numericals or any other numericals based on factorization method, you can contact to us on our number provided. In next video we will discuss about next method to solve quadratic equation. Thank you for watching this video.